Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm working with Tinashe hair. All the details will be listed down in the description box below. I have their deep wave wig and it is a full glueless unit that I'm going to be showing you how to customize. It already comes pre-plucked, of course, and so I just wanted to show you what it looks like already. The knots were lightly bleached on this unit, but I wanted to just customize it a little bit more because you do see a harsh line right behind the area that was pre-plucked, or I'm assuming threaded very lightly. So just gonna go ahead and get started with this. Honestly, it's kind of self-explanatory. I go in, like, I'm saying that right, but y'all are probably like, what? But yeah, just go in like a diagonal motion. I kind of decide how far back I want to actually part the hair. Usually about an inch to 2 inches behind the hairline is where I start to pluck, and I go in a diagonal motion, literally going across with my tweezers, and then going a downward motion just to lightly get rid of hair. I try not to stay in one area for too long. I kind of just go back and forth, and I like to do this when the hair is not extremely wet, more so damp, almost getting dry, because you can really see exactly how the hair is going to lay. So I'm actually going to speed up majority of this video, and then I'll just pop back in to kind of finish everything up. So as you guys can see, as I'm getting like closer towards the top, I know that sometimes you can over pluck like the top of the area or top of the wig where you're going to actually do like middle or side parts. You want to be really careful there because you don't want it to be bald or you don't want it to be thin. So just double check your parts. If you have to literally like part the area that you want it to be in, just to double check that it's not over plucked or under plucked, definitely do that. And then I like to go in the front of the hairline once I've plucked about 2 inches back, just to sporadically pull out hair so that everything kind of just flows. You want it to look like a natural hairline, of course. And I think by the end of this, I did have like a large clump of hair that was gone. This is completely optional. You know, the wig, like I said, it comes pre-plucked, but if you want to just take it a step further, definitely do this. And yeah, I'll be right back. So this is pretty much a final result from like just tweezing everything out. You guys can see that you don't see that harsh line anymore. The hair is really dark. It looked like it was about a 1 to a 150, so that was nice. And yeah, I'm going to show you how to install it in my very next video. So if you are not already, this is now a good time to go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss that as well. But really quickly, I'm just going to show you how to apply the elastic band to truly make this unit glueless. So I'm turning the wig inside out. If you don't have like a wig hat, a wig head, you don't actually have to do this like on one. You can obviously do it in your lap, but I like to place them a little bit behind where the clips are. And yeah, this is how you measure it out. So I'm going to use my temple for a guide, and then I have the elastic band. If you want it to be very loose, obviously you can just kind of leave it loose, but if you want it to be tighter, which is going to give you the glueless method, you want to stretch it as much as possible, and then pretty much just sew it down. So that was that. I think I usually have it about 6 to maybe 5.5 to 6 inches, and then I cut it. Go ahead and make me a little needle and thread, and then I sew it to the actual wig cap. Alright, so as you guys can see, the placement, just imagine if this was not like a glueless wig and this was just like a standard frontal that you actually customize on your own. You would still place the elastic band in the exact same spot. So about 2 inches away from the hairline, and then literally near the temple area. So that would be kind of like a good place to kind of judge this. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to sew this down, and then that will pretty much be the closeout for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babies.